what's up guys? It's Aaron from How To's by Bros, and today I'm going to show you how to do a backflip. Normally my brother teaches you guys how to do a backflip, but today I'm going to show you how to do a backflip. So let's dive right into the video. So first of all, you want to make sure you're warmed up. We'll go through a little warm-up just to make sure you're feeling warm. So do like 10 jumps, just tuck jumps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll warm you up a little bit for the trick. Once you're all warmed up and you're ready to do the actual trick, start on a trampoline, okay? To do it on a trampoline, watch some of our other videos on how to do a backflip. But basically, you need to learn a backflip on a trampoline and be able to do it standing on a trampoline. All right, once you have it down standing on a trampoline, what you're gonna do is you're gonna have it on a mattress. So we did a video on how to do it on a bed, on a mattress. So make sure you can do it on a bed and a mattress. All right, once you can do it on the tramp standing and then on a mattress pretty much standing, then you're ready to move on to ground. And I would recommend doing it on a gymnastics mat or some sort of mat, and maybe do it in a gym, an open gym at your local cheer gym or gymnastics gym, just to warm up. You've done it on a mattress, you've done it on a trampoline, you've done it in a gym. Now you're ready for grass to take it outside. So the actual technique of the backflip is really simple, really, once you get the hang of it. So what you want to do with your arms, a lot of people don't do this. They won't use their arms for the backflip. So for the backflip, you want to have your arms up just like this, and you want to bend your knees and swing your arms back just like this. You don't want to bend down too low where you can't gain the momentum you need, or you don't want to just do a backflip without jumping either. So you're just bending down a little bit, have your arms back, and then just swing, and then swing your arms up, and then just do it just like you would do it on a trampoline. But don't throw your head back, and get some height, okay? So it's pretty simple. Once you learn how to do it on a trampoline, without throwing your head back, without whipping it back, being able to go straight up and then tucking and then getting air on it, you're pretty much good to go. So I'll show you the backflip. So arms up, swing, tuck. Make sure you guys tuck tight for your first time. It's gonna be hard to land it, but you got it. But make sure you tuck tight. So swing, arms up, tuck, and then once you kind of spot your landing, you'll get used to the landing. It's part of it, spotting your landing and things. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy trick once you get used to it, but it takes a little bit to master it. So, but once you have it, you're good to go. So thank you so much for watching. Click some of the links in the description for a free webinar and accountability software. And I'm super pumped to share this webinar with you guys. Thank you so much. And if you're struggling with addiction, or if you're struggling with how to find your purpose, I guess I click some of the links in the description. Know you're not alone. And that's what my true passion is, to help people with this. Not to just do tutorials, but to actually help people with addictions and how to find your purpose and joy. So thank you so much, and God bless.